Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. So in this video today, I'll be showing you how to build this GPA spreadsheet calculator using JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. So essentially how this project works is that we have these three inputs here where we're going to enter in our data for our specific class. So as you can see here, we have an input for course name, the number of credit hours, and then the grade that you earned as a percentage. So let's use math for instance. It's going to give me 3 credit hours, and let's say I got a 95 in math. So now, having typed all that, let's hit add entry, and if you look down, you'll notice that it added another row to our table here. So it added all the data that we typed over here in the inputs, and then transferred it to this table. And then it was smart enough to know that a 95 would correspond to the letter grade of A, meaning that I would earn a total of 4 points since an A means 4 points, and then it took the points I earned, multiplied it by the credit hours to get the GPA points of 12. And it also has this delete button in case I made a little typo or something like that. So if I hit delete, that goes away. But now let's bring it back. And notice over here, it displays my total GPA, my overall GPA. So currently I have a perfect 4.0, but that's going to change very soon. So now let's say science, I got a 75, which in real life is actually not true. I have all A's. Just as an example, let's say I got a 75. Now let's hit add entry. A 75 would correlate to the letter C. So I would earn only 2 points for that, versus an A where I would earn 4 points. And then the spreadsheet is going to take the points I earned over here, multiplied by the credit hours, giving me a total of 6. So now I have a total of 18 GPA points and 6 credit hours. So if you do 18 divided by 6, that's 3, so that's my overall GPA. And essentially you can just keep repeating this process for all of your classes, and it should adjust and update your overall GPA according to what you type, just as long as you're careful that you're typing in the right information. And also one other feature is that it has this save changes button here. So what you do is just hit save changes and this alert will pop up. Now if I refresh the page, you'll notice that all this information doesn't go away, which is nice because we're using JavaScript local storage to save all that in the backend, so that even if we were to duplicate this tab, you'll see all the information has been preserved and it didn't go away, which is pretty useful considering if you have a lot of classes and you don't want to retype all this information every time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this brief preview of this pretty amazing project that we're about to build. And now let's get right into the video and actually start building it. Enjoy.